Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, let's look for a simple or senior mode. There is no simple mode, which means that we'll need to adjust all of the settings manually. And to do this, go back to your homepage of settings and then scroll down. First, let's go to the display, and inside we'll be able to access font size and style and make our text bigger. You can also activate the bold text, which will increase the thickness of a font, and that way it will also make the text bigger. Now we can go back, and then let's look for the accessibility. Here it is, we can click on it. Then first option is vision enhancements, and here you'll be able to change your display mode between the default, high contrast or large display. In this case we're gonna go with large display. This should change the size of the text as well as the icons and many different buttons. Then there's the high contrast theme. If you need it, you can set it up. If not, leave it off. High contrast keyboard, that will make our keyboard yellowish, and I can show you that when we enter a Google search. So this is with that's how it looks like with the settings enabled, and that's how it looks like when we disable it. For some people it might be more readable to have it that way. Next is highlight button, which will basically highlight all of the buttons so you can see them much better. Color inversion, color correction and color filters, that's a thing that if you need to enable it. If not, then don't touch them. They will basically change on how your phone looks like, and I wouldn't do it if you don't need it. Next is remove animations. You can activate that to reduce motion sickness while using your phone. We can also reduce transparency and blur for the same effect, and activate extra dim, which will change the brightness of our screen. I don't know why it's here, but you can enable or disable that if you like. And finally, we can move to the magnification. Activate magnification shortcut. Here you will have multiple different options to access it. There's a tap accessibility button that will be visible right here. Press side and volume up buttons, I wouldn't recommend that. Press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds, I wouldn't recommend that as well. And triple tap screen. Now, in this case, I like the accessibility button because it's actually much easier to use and it's less accidental to press on it. So we can click on that button and it will enable the zoom mode, so you can zoom in onto the text or icons or whatever you like. You can click on that same icon to hide it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.